Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to recover your Tinder account. So in order to recover your Tinder account, you must first have Tinder account in your Tinder application. So I'm gonna tap on my app. So once you tap on your application, you reach this page where you'll have to go and tap on trouble logging in. So once you tap there, you can tap on login with email option. So once you tap on login with email, you'll have to go and type your email address and tap on send email. Now you'll have to go and check your email. You can also use different email or your phone number if you do not get the mail. So once you tap on your email, here you can see I have already received the message. So I'm gonna tap there and then tap on login. So once you tap on login, you can even verify from phone, which will protect your account and provide you with another way to log in. Your number will not be shared. So now you'll have to type your phone number and tap on continue. Verification code will be sent to your phone. You'll have to type the code and tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, you reach to your profile. To ensure that it's your own profile, you can go and tap on profile icon at the bottom right and see that if it's your profile or not. So this is my profile and that is how you recover your account on Tinder. That is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining.